Let's open this winter non-toxic box. I have such a fun unboxing for you guys today. This is a low tox living seasonal box. So you can customize it, but it's full of low tox goodies. So if you are someone who kind of doesn't know where to begin, but you want to start incorporating more low tox things into your home, this is such a good idea to subscribe to. It's jam-packed full. There's a box for men and then a box geared towards women, and there are different add-ons you can add every single month. This is the winter box. We are gonna go through it together, and I'm so excited. It comes with like a little guide of everything that is in there, and then I got a really sweet handwritten note. I actually save every handwritten note that I get in PR. It just means so much to me that I get to do this for a living, and if someone takes the time to write a note to me, it actually goes into my junk journal. And I reuse a lot of the packaging. I know that's like very crunchy of me. But this is really cool. This you can plant and it turns into wildflowers. Just some like little cards about some information about what is in the box. This is 100% organic cotton. It's a Turkish throw blanket, free from microplastics and polyester, which I love. And I love this waffle texture. You could pick the color, which I also think is fun. So it'll coordinate. Clearly I like green. It'll coordinate with your house, but it's just a really sweet little throw. It's super, super soft and really nice quality. Turkish cotton is very luxurious and lasts a long time. I've never heard of this brand before. It's called Common Good. It's their dish soap in bergamot. And let's see. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah. Amazing ingredients, like less than 10 ingredients. Bergamot fruit oil is the only fragrance in here, which is fine with me. And yeah, what a beautiful bottle. We love that. Like, there's not a lot of ingredients in here. Can't wait to try this. I think that this is the candle. Poured beeswax and tallow candle, made in Iowa, 100% grass finished beef towel, beeswax, phthalate-free fragrance oil, and a cotton wick stick. This is Thread and Crumb, Winter Chalet, White Birch, Tonka, and Amber. Ooh! Okay, it smells fresh like pine and winter snow, but it's almost got a vanilla scent in it. I'm thinking from the tallow, and then it like finishes spicy. Tonka, yeah, amber and tonka at the end is like spice. This is Davoon. Oh my god, I cannot wait to burn this tonight. I have one of those like candle lamps because I'm afraid of fire. So yeah, I have figured out that I burn candles more if I do them with the candle lamp. A really sweet glass tumbler with a bamboo top and a glass straw. Oh, this is so cute. I actually don't have anything quite like this, so I'm excited to have this in my collection. A little straw cleaner. Really pretty lip balm. It's like a rose scent. I have a little bit of the Primally Pure lip oil on right now, so my lips have a little bit of a tint, but this is just like a clear balm. It's got like a light rose scent. I usually don't like things that are rose scented, but this is really mild. This is from the brand With Simplicity. I've never heard of this brand. This is cool because this is introducing me to some new low tox brands that maybe I would not have found on my own. And looking at the ingredients on this, everything is organic, which I love because if it's on your lips, you're eating it. And there was a study done that women eat 4 pounds of lip products in their life. Well, that's a lot of lip gloss. And you will not catch me having anything petroleum based or with lake dyes on my lips anymore. It's like, if I'm gonna have some lake dyes, I'm gonna have a handful of M&Ms. I don't want it in my lip balm. You know what I mean? Anyway, this is really lovely. Something from the brand 3 Ships. I follow them on Instagram, but I've never tried any of their products. This is their Skin Hero Calendula and 2% Baciuchiol Retinol Serum. I'm seeing Rose Hip and that Baciuchiol and Bitter Orange. This looks really nice. I love a bioretinol. Smells delicious. Smells like a bitter orange. And then, also from 3 Ships, Brighter Days, Red Algae and Avocado Biodegradable eye masks. So 2 of them. Believe me, I could use those. I am one tired mama. And then there's a little sample in here of goat milk moisturizer from Little Seed Farm. I'm Greek, so I love a goat milk product. This looks really hydrating. Oh, it has aspen bark extract. Interesting. I wonder, this would probably work then for, I have acne prone and very oily skin. So yeah, anyway, this is everything that was in the winter box. I can't wait to get the spring box. We'll do an unboxing then too when I get it. But this is such a great gift to give or something to give yourself if you are trying to make the switch to have your home, just your whole life being more non-toxic. It can be really overwhelming to just go and swap everything in your life. Use what you have, and then when you run out, you replace that with a non-toxic swap. And if you know that you're getting something in this box, then you know that this has been picked. It's fabulously curated with like the best of the best non-toxic products. Guys, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will leave down below a discount code, and if you're looking for non-toxic swaps, leave it in the comments below and I will get you as many comments as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.